This might be what some think is happening at the border. A migrant trying to climb over a wall and sneak past Border Patrol. Many times, they don't get far. While that happens every day in this country, the debate over Title 42, which was supposed to end today but no longer is because of this federal judge's ruling, is very different. You see, the ongoing debate over Title 42 involves migrants seeking asylum. That means a migrant appearing at the border oftentimes heads straight for Border Patrol. They want to turn themselves in so they can be detained and declare their intention of trying to become a refugee and obtain status that permits them to stay in the U.S. This is a photo from the AP back in 2018 of the process happening. For over 2 years, the U.S. has denied, for the most part, those requests over COVID concerns. Former President Trump first enacted the denial policy. President Biden extended it, and now the courts are keeping it in place. Now, before you read any more controversial posts on social media, you may be wondering, does the U.S. have to welcome asylum-seeking migrants? Many advocacy groups say, yes, the 1980 Refugee Act is, after all, U.S. law, as long as the asylum seeker has a well-founded fear of persecution over race, religion, ideology, or another reason. Because it's easy to lie, a migrant just doesn't get automatic approval. The asylum seeker is assigned an interview where an American official deems them credible or not. If they are determined to not be credible, they can be prosecuted and removed from the U.S. If they are deemed credible, the asylum-seeking process continues and can take several years. During that time, the migrant can live wherever they want in the U.S. typically. President Biden has set a cap of 125,000 refugees for this fiscal year, which ends in September. Conservatives, as well as some Democrats in Congress, agree the U.S. must welcome refugees, but they have publicly warned for weeks the U.S. doesn't have enough personnel or housing to detain all of the asylum seekers right now, fearing facilities will either quickly become inhumane or so overcrowded, many will have to be released. For the moment, the federal judiciary in this country agrees with the appeals process set to begin. In Washington, I'm Joe St. George.